All right, so some sunshine, not a ton today. We've got a little bit more cloud cover than sun over Calaveras Lake. We've got 77. Winds are breezy out of the south and southeast, so the dew points have come up just a little bit to about 46. Not enough to really call it humid. So with this haziness to our skies, we're expecting temperatures to stay about where they are. I mean, we should probably stay in the 70s through 7:30, maybe even 8 p.m. I don't think you'll need a jacket going out tonight, and you certainly won't need an umbrella. With that haze in place, I wanted to check air quality. It's moderate. Yesterday, it did get unhealthy for sensitive groups. All right, so the air, again, on the move with a pretty good breeze this afternoon and this evening, but winds will die down on Friday before they pick back up again on Saturday. We get a one-day break on the winds, and that's tomorrow, before we get a windy Saturday and a windy Sunday as well. We've got a system that's on its way in. In the meantime, we're kind of moistening things up, even in the upper levels, mid and upper level moisture from that Pacific flow that you can see. A lot of the dry air is now moving across and into the eastern third of the U.S. But take a look at what temperatures are going to do tomorrow. We're going to start right around the upper 50s. So it's not even going to be a cool morning, but it's going to be a hot afternoon, especially if you're in Carrizo Springs. Look at this, 95 tomorrow, 92 Cotulla. I think we go to at least 85 or 86 here in San Antonio. So a very warm Friday afternoon off a good southwest wind. And again, that's always a warm one, especially if you're southwest of us, like Pearsall, Cotulla. So here's the system for the weekend. I again think late Friday night into early Saturday is going to be our best chance of getting some rain. So let's take a look. Future radar models are putting down some light rain pretty much Friday night. This is 8 p.m. between Eagle Pass and Hondo, and then kind of pushing into the city. It's really hard to even put a chance of rain on this. I'm going to go maybe 10%. Again, late Friday night into early Saturday. This is 4 a.m. Saturday. We start cloudy, we get a few sprinkles, and then a sunny afternoon. So the weekend is looking really nice. All right, so here's the 14-day forecast. Tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun, but a warm day, 86 on the high. Then on Saturday, the front's coming in, so a strong north and northwest wind by Saturday afternoon for sure. High will be in the mid-70s, but then a cold Sunday morning, down to 42 in San Antonio, 30s in the Hill Country. So we'll get a good taste of that winter morning on Sunday, then 67, back to the 70s, another chilly start on Monday the 10th. But that's spring break. You take a look at Monday through Friday, beautiful weather for spring break. In fact, 3 of the days will be in those mid-80s. And don't forget, we lose an hour of time as we change the clocks this weekend and return to daylight saving.